For the first question, we have already covered two uh, questions. Now we are going to take third one. That is, we need to find SCF. Okay, with the help of Ellipse division algorithm of these two numbers. Let us do. So first of all, let's revise like how we find SCF with the help of Ellipse division method. In which what we need to do, we need to divide the bigger number. Here it is uh, 867. Sorry, mm, not 76. It's 867. We need to divide this one with a smaller number, that is 255. Okay, so what Ellipse division algorithm says that divide the largest number with the smallest number until you get 0 as a remainder. Okay, let us do, and meanwhile we will understand how we can do. So 3s are, it will comes up 765. It will come like 201. Okay, so we do not get remainder as a 0, so we need to divide this one with this one now. Okay, so 255 we need to divide with the help of 102. Okay, so when we divide this one, it will comes up 2 uh, 204 and 1551. Okay, here also remainder is not the 0. Now we need to repeat, like we need to divide this one with the help of this one. Okay, let's do here 102. We need to divide it with the help of 51. So 51 twos are 102. Here we get 0 as a remainder. So as the Ellipse division algorithm say, if we get 0 as a remainder, so divisor is the SCF of these two numbers. Okay, so we can conclude like SCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Thank you. For more such videos, like and subscribe the channel, and if you like it, so also share it with your colleagues. Thank you.